are a valuable investment for Clearwater homeowners, offering enhanced comfort, reduced energy costs, and protection from the elements. However, Clearwater's coastal environment presents unique challenges, including salty air, high humidity, and occasional storms. Proper maintenance is essential to keep your energy-efficient windows in top condition, ensuring they perform well and last for years. Here's a comprehensive guide on how to maintain your energy-efficient windows in Clearwater's coastal climate. Regular cleaning to prevent salt buildup. Salt from the ocean air can accumulate on your windows, leading to corrosion, streaks, and reduced performance over time. Cleaning your windows regularly helps prevent these issues and keeps them looking their best. Steps for effective cleaning. Rinse with fresh water. Use a garden hose or a bucket of fresh water to remove salt, sand, and debris from the glass and frames. Use a mild soap solution. Mix a few drops of mild dish soap with warm water and gently scrub the glass and frames using a soft cloth or sponge. Avoid harsh cleaners. Skip abrasive chemicals or ammonia-based products, as they can damage the low-E coating and frame finishes. Dry thoroughly. After cleaning, use a microfiber cloth or squeegee to dry the windows, preventing water spots or streaks. Regular cleaning not only improves the appearance of your windows but also protects their materials from the corrosive effects of salt air. Inspect and maintain weather sealing. Weather seals are a critical component of energy-efficient windows, preventing drafts and air leaks. Clearwater's humid climate can cause seals to degrade over time, reducing their effectiveness. How to maintain weather seals. Inspect regularly. Check the seals around your windows for cracks, gaps, or peeling. Clean gently. Use a damp cloth to remove dirt, salt, and debris from the seals, ensuring they stay flexible and effective. Replace when needed. If you notice significant wear or damage, replace the weather seals with high-quality, weather-resistant materials. Well-maintained seals ensure your windows remain energy-efficient and airtight. Protect frames from coastal wear. Frames are exposed to the elements, making them susceptible to wear and tear in Clearwater's coastal environment. Different frame materials require specific care to maintain their durability and appearance. Tips for maintaining window frames. Vinyl frames. Wipe with a damp cloth and soapy water to clean, and avoid using abrasive tools that can scratch the surface. Fiberglass frames. Clean with soapy water and inspect for cracks or damage, which should be repaired promptly. Aluminum frames. Rinse regularly to prevent corrosion and apply a protective wax or sealant for added durability. Wood frames. Check for signs of rot or peeling paint. Sand and repaint or reseal is needed to protect against moisture. Taking care of your frames helps them withstand Clearwater's salty air and humid climate. Maintain glass and low-E coatings. The glass in energy-efficient windows often includes low-E coatings that reflect heat and block UV rays. Keeping the glass clean and free of debris ensures these coatings work effectively. Glass maintenance tips. Clean gently. Use non-abrasive cleaners and soft cloths to avoid scratching the glass or damaging the low-E coating. Inspect for damage. Look for chips, cracks, or fogging between panes, which may indicate a broken seal or compromised insulation. Replace when necessary. If the glass is damaged, replace it promptly to restore your Windows energy efficiency. Proper care for the glass helps maintain your Windows energy-saving properties and clarity. Lubricate moving parts for smooth operation. Energy-efficient windows often include features like locks, hinges, and tracks, which can accumulate dirt or corrode in Clearwater's humid climate. Lubricating these components ensures smooth operation. Steps to maintain moving parts. Clean tracks. Use a vacuum or a soft brush to remove dirt, sand, and debris from window tracks. Lubricate hardware. Apply a silicone-based lubricant to locks, hinges, and tracks to prevent rust and ensure smooth movement. Check for wear. Inspect hardware for signs of corrosion or damage and replace any worn components. Regular lubrication extends the lifespan of your windows and makes them easier to operate. Prepare for storm season. Clearwater's coastal location makes storm preparation an essential part of window maintenance. Protecting your energy-efficient windows during hurricane season ensures they stay in good condition. Storm preparation tips. Install storm shutters. Use storm shutters or panels to protect your windows from flying debris during severe weather. Inspect for weaknesses. Check for cracks, loose frames, or compromised seals before hurricane season. Upgrade to impact-resistant glass. Consider installing hurricane-rated windows with impact-resistant glass for added safety and durability. Taking proactive measures keeps your windows safe and functional during Clearwater's stormy months. Schedule professional inspections. While regular DIY maintenance is important, professional inspections provide a thorough evaluation of your energy-efficient windows. Experts can identify and address issues that may not be immediately visible. Benefits of professional inspections. Comprehensive checkup. Professionals assess the condition of your windows, including frames, seals, glass, and hardware. Timely repairs. Early detection of problems prevents costly repairs or replacements in the future. Expert advice. Gain insights on upgrades or improvements to enhance your Windows performance and durability. Annual inspections ensure your energy-efficient windows perform at their best in Clearwater's coastal climate. Conclusion. Maintaining energy-efficient windows in Clearwater's coastal environment requires regular care and attention. From cleaning and inspecting seals to protecting frames and preparing for storms, these steps will help your windows perform well and last for years. For expert assistance or professional maintenance services, contact a trusted window specialist in Clearwater. With proper care and guidance, your energy-efficient windows will continue to enhance your home's comfort